Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Hyundai Sonata headlight step by step. Open the hood, locate the back of the headlight assembly, and disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Remove any clips or screws holding the housing, then carefully pull the connector from the bulb. Swap the old bulb for the new one using gloves, reseal the housing, reconnect the battery, and test the light for proper operation. Before you begin, lay out every tool on a clean surface so nothing gets lost during the job. Use a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, a torque or ratchet driver if needed, and a new halogen or LED bulb matched to the headlight specification. Turn off all lights and let the engine cool fully. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical faults and keep a soft cloth handy to protect painted surfaces while you work. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, useful videos for you. On another note, quick recommendation. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control. It's oddly satisfying for car cleaning after repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing any plastic covers behind the headlight to expose the bulb socket and retainer. Unplug the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling the plug straight back. Avoid twisting. Release the bulb retaining ring or unhook the metal clip that secures the bulb, then gently pull the bulb out without jerking. Inspect the housing for corrosion or moisture and clean if necessary before installing the new bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.